A hashing algorithm is a function that takes input data of any size and outputs a unique, fixed-size string of bytes, typically in the form of a digest. To learn about hashing, please check this video. Here, in this video, we will see how can we use it to verify the integrity of a file. Here is an example. We are downloading the BIOS update file from the manufacturer's website. This is the file name. Let's check the full details. Actually, I am searching if the manufacturer has provided any checksum for the file that we are going to download. A checksum is a calculated value that represents bits in data, and here it will be used to verify if the file we downloaded is genuine or not. Or say, we will be able to verify the integrity of the file. Yes, here it is. These are the details provided by the manufacturer. Here is our file name. And here is the hash value of the file. And this hash value is generated using the hashing algorithm, MD5. We will require this detail later on. Let's download our file. The download is completed. Let us open the download location on our system. So here is our file. Before executing it, I would like to check if the file I downloaded is the genuine file provided by the manufacturer, or not. Or, it's been tempered in between. We will use a command prompt for this. In this navigation bar, type CMD, and press Enter. This will open a command prompt for us. Let me adjust its position and font size. Basically, we will be generating a hash value for our downloaded file using the same hashing algorithm, MD5, used by the manufacturer. Then we will compare our generated hash value with the hash value provided by the manufacturer. Let us begin writing our command. Sertotal space hyphen hashfile space. Now we will simply drag and drop the file on the command prompt window. This will give its absolute path. Then, space. Name of the hashing algorithm, which in our case is MD5. Press Enter. This will generate an MD5 hash value or digest for our downloaded file. Now let us copy this hash value. Now we will go to this details page provided by the manufacturer. We will press the Ctrl+F keys to open the find box. Then paste the copied hash value. We can see it matches with the hash value provided in this details page. It means that the file we downloaded is genuine. The integrity of the downloaded file is verified. So this is how we can verify the integrity of a downloaded file, provided the owner of the file has also provided the hash value for the file. This same method we can use for our own data too. We can hash our file so that the receiver can verify the integrity of the file before working with it. Let us see an example. We will create a Microsoft Word document. We will name it ABC. We will write some information in it. Then, save the file. Now we will generate a hash value for our file. Let's close it, and open the command prompt. We will write the command. Sertutal space hyphen hashfile space. Drag and drop the file to get its absolute path. Space. The algorithm name. For demonstration, we will use the MD5 algorithm. Then, press Enter. This is our file's MD5 hash value. Now we can send this MD5 hash value along with our file to the receiver. And the receiver can calculate the MD5 hash value for the file at their end, and compare it with the hash value provided by us, and verify the integrity of the file. Even a small modification in the file will change the hash value completely. For demonstration, we will just add one more full stop at the end. Save the file and close it. Let us calculate the hash value for our file again and see the hash value. We can see that the MD5 hash value has changed completely. That means the file has been modified. The owner should every time provide the updated hash value after modification to a file. Now, there may be a doubt whether changing the name of the file affects the hash value or not. So we will change the name of our Microsoft Word file from ABC to ABCD. Now the name has changed. Let us recalculate the hash. This is the last updated hash value of our file. So we will compare with this value. Let us recalculate the hash. Oops, sorry, forgot to change the file name in the command. Let me rectify it. So this is the recalculated hash value. This is the hash value with a changed file name. And this is the previous hash value with the old file name. Both the hash are the same. So, we can conclude that the name of the file does not affect the calculation of the hash value. Only its content matters. But with applications like Microsoft Excel, there is little difference. Let's see an example. We will create one Excel document. And in it, we will add some data. Now save the file and close it. Let's calculate the MD5 hash value for it. This is the MD5 hash value. Now I will open the Excel document again. I will not make any changes to the data inside. But, I will just save the document again and close it. Let's recalculate the MD5 hash value again. Remember that we have just saved the file again and have not tampered with internal data. We can see that the hash value is completely different. Just saving the file changed the hash completely. This is because if we open an Excel document using an archive app like 7-Zip, we can see that it is made up of several components. So only saving the document is updating the metadata of the file, which results in a different hash value. This was a little difference with the Excel documents that I wanted to show. We have only seen the MD5 hashing algorithm in our examples. We can also use other hashing algorithms. To check which hashing algorithms we can use, we will write the following command. Certutil space hyphen hashfile space /?. This will display syntax and all the hashing algorithms that we can use in our command. Let's try one example with the hashing algorithm, SHA-256. It outputs a hash value that is 256 bits long. Similarly, we can use other hashing algorithms. We can also calculate the hash using PowerShell. The command is as follows. Get -file hash space the absolute path of the file. Just drag and drop the file. Space -a space name of the algorithm. This is hash calculated using SHA-256. Similarly, we can calculate hash using other hashing algorithms. To know which hashing algorithms we can use in our command, we will type get -help space get -file hash. This will display the syntax and the list of all the applicable hashing algorithms. So this is how we were able to use a hashing algorithm to verify and maintain the integrity of a file. If you liked the information then, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time and patience. Have a nice day.